Count all triangles that could be drawn from vertices. Can you count all the triangles created from diagonals drawn from each vertex? If so, you are a genius. Math is fun and makes things easier. If you had to count all these triangles manually, it would take quite some time. However, using math can make it simpler for you. In this case, I am going to teach you a formula to solve such problems easily. To count the number of triangles that could be drawn from vertices of a normal polygon, we need to know how to use combination formula. In this case, the formula would be n to k, where n is the total number of vertices and k is the number of vertices to be chosen to form a triangle. Obviously, n cannot be smaller than 3 as the shape won't be a polygon. Coming back to our example, we can solve it like this. Combination of 10 and 3. C, 10 3 equals 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiplied by 7 factorial. Calculating this, we get C, 10 3 equals 720 divided by 6 is equal to 120. Therefore, 120 triangles can be formed from the vertices of a decagon. Like and subscribe for more fun videos.